All right, what's up? I'm gonna keep it simple today and just make like a double shot latte. Um, I'm actually not gonna use this mug. Let's use this mug instead. Gonna measure out 16 grams. I almost said 17, but no. Going with my gut, we'll do 16 grams. 15, that should be 16. Organic cold. And just so y'all know, this machine has two grinder settings. One that's like internal inside of the grinder, another one that is external on the dial. My internal is set to 5, which should be the stock setting. My external is set to 8. And I'm using like really ultra super fresh beans that I get from a local roastery like every week now. So, all right, let's all grind it up, stamp down. Make sure we're level there. I'm just gonna pull the double. Shot looks great. All right, nice. Get a good looking shot right there. Perfect. Shot looks amazing. Looks like the cosmos. Milk froth, I'm going to keep it simple. Just add a bit of air just to establish that texture. And then from there, just warm it up. Just waiting for it to get a bit warm and now we'll dip it. Quite a few bubbles there. I may try to mitigate that just a bit. As best as I could, at least. I did add a lot of milk to this. I think I've been adding too little milk, and that's probably contributing to my struggles with latte art, so we're going to experiment a bit. Cool. Put the one up. Tirani French vanilla. It's going to add about 1/4 of a pump. Give it a swirl. Likewise with the milk. Got a good bit of foam right there. Cool. And yeah, let's pray we get good latte art. I'm going to give it as much angle as I can. Start it very early. It's always that finisher right there. But not too bad. Let me get y'all's close up. Sorry if my hand shakes a bit. It's a bit of a weird angle I gotta stand at and hold this at. There you have it, your French vanilla latte with a double shot. I may start doing more doubles, honestly. Yeah, it's really good. I love it. Nice. Just the what do you call it? I can't think of the word. Just what I needed in the morning. All right. Thanks for watching.